water is dirty. Careful. Okay. Here's Nikki unhooking the boat. Oops. Here, you hook it on the boat, don't you? No. Oh. I can't reach it. Pull it in. Pull on the blue handle. Pull. I have to do what you listen. There you go. Not too far. Oh, there you go. You did it. You better hold on. You gotta bring the boy in, Nick. I am. By the way, what is that? Your cell phone? No, this is a video camera.
Andrew, I'll do the boy flop right in. Where are we going?
Doesn't matter. That way. Like that. Like yesterday. On a boat.
We don't want to go that far.
Yeah.
We will see the eagle. Okay. Doesn't see the eagle.
Hold on. Ow! My help. Oh, I got some sun. Both legs. Woo! Oh, I need much grace. Everybody knock the glasses off. Yeah. Isn't that their nest?
Yeah.
And they made a nest there last year too, didn't they?
Yeah.
That is a huge nest.
Oh,
look!
there he is. There he is.
That's a baby, is it? Or?
Could be the mother sitting on eggs.
Oh. Yeah, but don't they get out? That's a long way to fall on. Not a very nice landing if they don't fly. But the people in that house must love that, eh? I mean love. Go fly! I love to be hate, eh?
Why would they hate it?
See any pictures?
I like to see one fly onto it.
Done, Robin?
Hey, Nancy, that's nasty.
Wow. Yeah, what's that off?
Good. Nikki's bumpy ride.
Actually, it's bad because you didn't fall off.
This is Nikki's bumpy ride.
I'm going to show you the show that looks like Nana Papa's. And she's taking
Right.
black eye, black eye. You can take Mars bar, put it into two, caramel and chocolate, and creamy nougat too. That's all the song.
A Mars Slim can.
A Mars Slim can.
A Mars Slim can, 'cause it's on the line for you. I'm taking a video of nothing but what's in front of us.
Take a video of that little dog.
Nikki's bumpy ride continues.
It's not bumpy now. Well, it's not my fault it's bumpy. It's a dirt road.
I'm holding the camera as still as possible here.
Hang on. Try harder. Let's rip this corner.
Yeah. Rip it, rip it, rip it.
What? Oh my god. Seriously, it's so hot out here. I'm watering. Getting rid of them because I don't want them anymore.
Are you looking at me?
Jackson.
He's looking at me. He's like, I'm gonna make some cheese. I cut up one pair of jeans.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Let's see them.
I threw them down laundry chute so they can fray.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Take my advice, eh?
Yeah. Well, actually, I didn't even realize I had so many pairs of shorts.
Yeah?
I didn't even want to throw those away.
I love jean shorts.
Yeah,
I
don't even have.
Sarah, don't be camera shy.
I've always been like that.
Nobody
I
likes.
didn't even realize you had the camera on.
I was pointing it at you.
Oh, I was like, are you retarded? Come here. Jackson, come here.
I'm burnt, eh? On my shoulders.
Rejected. Are you? I'm not, because I was tanned already. You buff. Yeah.
Sarah's just already naturally tan.
Sarah's
I'm
just like,
toast.
I'm brown already. You're rye bread.
Yeah.
You're not white bread.
I'm
Like ours.
Portuguese. Apparently.
She's got more goodness in her.
You
than
do
red
kind of
bread.
look Portuguese.
Yeah, I've asked people asked me 3 times if I'm
Are
Portuguese.
you pork and cheese?
Pork chops.
Yes.
That's what my parents call me.
I'm pork and cheese.
Miriam, your boobs
Why'd you tell
are
him?
falling out today.
It's my bra.
Should have seen the shirt I was wearing before I
That's the way the
changed.
shirt falls. I'm afraid. I should get rid of the scissors.
Alright.
I had to hide the shirt. Ah, I don't like it out now. Movie's there.
Boston.
Wait, no, it's not. Oh yeah, this is the third movie down.
Aww. Is that the picture frame you got?
Picture frame he got for me
That's not cute.
for my birthday. It's only cute because I put pictures in it. And I took all those pictures.
I like this one.
Which one is it?
This one.
The one where he looks like he's
Shocked.
Daily Express shop.
Shocked.
Yeah, that's how he looks. That's what he looks like all the time.
Yeah.
A little confused.
Eric looks retarded in all the pictures. And you
No,
look.
he doesn't. In that bottom one from the second from the left. He
Oh,
looks
this
normal.
one is normal. But.
And the one above it, he looks normal.
True.
Kind of. And the second one, he looks normal. Well, I think all of them look normal because he's my boyfriend. But
Yeah, because he's your man. Even care.
now.
Oh, I have a new baby second cousin apparently.
Do you?
Named Woody.
Woody.
Woody Williams.
Is that
Isn't that a great name?
Is that
Talking
his
about an
nickname or
You're actually talking about like a kid.
Yeah.
they just named
They
him
named
Woody?
him Woody for some reason.
Yeah, apparently.
Wow.
Are they British?
Yeah.
that explains it.
Woody Williams. My friend